Hello, John Tabor with UDS. I have a question for you today. Has your job become routine? In working with F&I managers that have slipped in production a little bit and are looking to regain their edge, there's something I've noticed, and the video shows. What they do has become routine. We value process, and because we utilize the same process with every customer, sometimes our edge softens a little bit, and that can affect performance. Part of our process is scripting. Scripts are good. They help us stay compliant and keep us on track. But the problem is, because of the words we use and the questions we answer are so familiar, we can start to develop some traits that might diminish our effectiveness, and most of the time, we're not even aware of it. So some of those undesirable traits are, 1, we speak too fast. Because we know what we're about to say most of the time, it comes out too fast, or at least faster than a normal conversation. Instead of having a conversational tone, we begin to recite what we're saying. To illustrate my point, ask someone to say the alphabet. Chances are they can recite it in about 5 seconds. Seriously, time it. We just need to slow down. Talk, not recite. When we talk too fast, it sounds like a pitch and we lose credibility. 2, the inflection in our voice flattens out and becomes more mechanical with less inflection. What I mean by that is when you're asking that person to recite the alphabet, listen, you'll hear what I'm talking about. And 3, we use our hands less, we slouch in our chairs, we lean back instead of lean forward, our body language relaxes and communicates to the customer that we're not as interested as we should be. Put these 3 traits together and you can look over-rehearsed or even worse, uninterested. We sound like we've done it a million times, the customer hears it, feels it, and their resistance goes up. So what can you do? Video. If the last time you watched a video of yourself presenting a menu and answering objection was when you were in F&I school, you might be overdue. Video doesn't lie, and it can be a little uncomfortable at first, but extremely effective in helping you take an objective look at you. You'll see and hear some things you like and some things you don't, but based on what you learn, you make adjustments and become a more professional and effective F&I manager. It's the single most effective tool in improving your delivery and presentation skills. We all are our toughest critic, but if your production has slipped, try it. Use video to keep your word tracks from becoming word ruts. And that's your tip of the week. Email me at jtabor@udsdealerservices.com for a transcript.